inventory has been increasing on the shore for the past 12 months. It's Friday, August 16th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty. This is the Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Active listings are up 31.4% higher than last year, and homes are staying on the market longer. In fact, there is now 3.05 months of supply, the first time since June 2020. There are 1,637 homes for sale this week, which is fewer than last week, and another 131 are coming to the market soon. That's a rise from last week. 173 homes went under contract, falling from last week. 125 sold this week at 98.8% list to sold ratio and in 20 median days, reflecting a drop in what sellers received at sale and taking longer until a contract is received. Homes for rent are at 103, which dropped to $2,100 median dollars per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, August 16th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.